Hey everyone, wanna up your YouTube game in 2024? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 tools that will boost your content creation, streamline your workflow, and help you grow your channel. From editing like a pro to crafting those click-worthy thumbnails, we're diving deep into the tech that'll make this your best year yet on YouTube. We're talking that next-level quality, that efficiency you've been craving, all while making sure more people actually see the awesome content you're putting out there. If you're new here, welcome to your channel name. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on more YouTube tips and tricks. Let's get into it. First up is DaVinci Resolve. You might have heard whispers of this software. It's what the pros use, and for good reason. This isn't just some basic video editor. DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse. We're talking about a tool that can handle everything from basic cuts to those crazy multi-camera edits you see in music videos, and the color grading, don't even get me started. This is where DaVinci Resolve truly shines. You can manipulate the mood and feel of your videos like never before. All within the same software. It's like having a Hollywood-level colorist at your fingertips, no joke. But hold on, there's more. Visual effects? DaVinci Resolve laughs in the face of limitations. You can add those slick transitions, create some cinematic effects, and really take your videos to a whole new level. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds incredibly intimidating, but here's the kicker. DaVinci Resolve is surprisingly intuitive, even for beginners. The interface is clean, the tools are well organized, and there are tons of tutorials out there to get you up to speed in no time. And here's the best part. DaVinci Resolve offers a completely free version that's more than capable for most creators. That's right, you get all this power without spending a dime. Of course, there's a more advanced paid version if you need those extra bells and whistles. But for most of us, the free version is more than enough to get started. Trust me, once you go DaVinci Resolve, you won't go back. Seriously, if you're serious about taking your YouTube videos to the next level, you need to check out DaVinci Resolve. I've put a link in the description where you can download both the free and paid versions. Next up, we're talking thumbnails. You know, those little rectangular images that can make or break your video's success? It doesn't matter how good your content is if nobody clicks on it, right? That's where Canva comes in. Canva is your secret weapon for creating eye-catching thumbnails that practically scream, "Click me." Think of it as a design playground where you don't need to be a professional designer to create professional-looking graphics. They've got templates for everything, and I mean everything. Whether you're going for a clean and minimalist look or something bold and in your face, Canva has got you covered. But it's not just about the templates. Canva lets you customize everything. Fonts, colors, images, icons, you name it, you can tweak it to your heart's content. And the best part? It's all drag and drop, so you don't need a degree in graphic design to make it work. Let me show you just how easy it is. Let's say we're creating a thumbnail for this video. I'm going to choose this template, swap out the background image with something more eye-catching, add some bold text, maybe throw in a few icons related to the tools we're talking about, and bam! Just like that, we've got ourselves a thumbnail that's guaranteed to grab attention. And the best part? Canva has a free version that's packed with features. You can create stunning thumbnails without spending a dime. I've put a link in the description where you can check it out. Chapter 3. TubeBuddy, your YouTube analytics sidekick. Alright, let's talk about analytics. I know it's not the sexiest topic, but trust me on this one. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, you need to understand the numbers. That's where TubeBuddy comes in. TubeBuddy is like having a personal YouTube coach in your corner, constantly analyzing your channel's performance and whispering sweet optimization secrets in your ear. It's the ultimate tool for understanding your audience, tracking your progress, and making data-driven decisions to boost your channel's growth. We're talking in-depth analytics that go way beyond the basic YouTube studio metrics. TubeBuddy gives you the inside scoop on your video performance, audience demographics, search rankings, and so much more. It's like having X-ray vision into your channel's soul. But TubeBuddy isn't just about looking at numbers, it's about taking action. TubeBuddy is packed with optimization tools that help you make the most of your content. Think keyword research, A/B testing, tag suggestions, and even bulk processing tools to save you time and effort. It's like having a team of YouTube experts working behind the scenes to boost your channel's visibility. Now, TubeBuddy does offer both free and paid plans depending on how deep you want to dive into the analytics pool. The free version is a great starting point, giving you access to some basic but powerful tools. But if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your channel, the paid plans are definitely worth considering. So if you're tired of flying blind and want to make data-driven decisions to grow your YouTube channel, TubeBuddy is your new best friend. I put a link in the description where you can check out their plans and see which one fits your needs. Chapter 4, WriterDuet, where scripting magic happens. Alright, let's talk about scripting. I know, not everyone loves the idea of writing out their videos, but trust me, a well-written script can make all the difference. It's the backbone of your video, ensuring that your message is clear, concise, and engaging. And that's where WriterDuet comes in. WriterDuet is a game changer for anyone who creates video content. It's a collaborative screenwriting software that's designed to make the writing process smoother, faster, and dare I say, enjoyable. And the best part, it's completely free to use. No more excuses for not scripting your videos. But don't let the screenwriting part fool you. WriterDuet is incredibly versatile and works just as well for YouTube videos, online courses, presentations, or anything else you can think of. One of the things I love about WriterDuet is its intuitive interface. It's clean, uncluttered, and incredibly easy to navigate. You can focus on what matters most, the writing, without getting bogged down by complicated menus or features. But WriterDuet isn't just about pretty interfaces. It's packed with powerful features that will streamline your writing process. Think real-time collaboration, where you can work on the same script with your team simultaneously, seeing each other's changes as they happen. No more emailing files back and forth or trying to decipher who wrote what. And speaking of organization, WriterDuet has got you covered there too. You can easily structure your script with scenes, acts, and chapters, keeping your ideas organized and your workflow on track. Trust me, once you go WriterDuet, you won't go back to your old way of scripting. I've put a link in the description where you can check it out. Chapter 5. Buffer your social media scheduling superhero. Alright, we've talked about creating awesome videos, but what good is all that effort if you're not promoting them effectively? That's where Buffer comes in, your new secret weapon for social media domination. Buffer is a social media management tool that's designed to streamline your social media efforts and save you precious time. Think of it as your personal social media assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to schedule your posts, track your engagement, and analyze your performance. But Buffer is more than just a scheduling tool. It gives you the power to manage all your social media accounts from one central dashboard. No more jumping between different apps or trying to remember which platform you posted to last. With Buffer, you can schedule your posts in advance, ensuring that your content is consistently reaching your audience at the optimal times. And the best part? Buffer analyzes your audience's engagement patterns and suggests the best times to post for maximum impact. Let's say you want to share your latest YouTube video across all your social media channels. With Buffer, you can create a single post and schedule it to go out on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even Pinterest all at once. But Buffer isn't just about scheduling, it's also about tracking your performance. Buffer provides detailed analytics on your social media activity, showing you which posts are resonating with your audience, which platforms are driving the most traffic, and how your engagement is trending over time. The free plan is a great starting point, allowing you to manage up to 3 social media accounts and schedule up to 10 posts per platform. So if you're tired of juggling multiple social media accounts and want to streamline your efforts while maximizing your impact, Buffer is your new best friend. Trust me, your social media strategy and your sanity will thank you. Chapter 6. Level up your YouTube journey. To recap, we covered DaVinci Resolve, Canva, TubeBuddy, WriterDuet, and Buffer. Each of these tools can help you enhance your YouTube channel in 2024, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator. I'd love to hear from you. What tools do you use, or do you have any recommendations? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.